Hi. So, today is a Thursday. It is February 3. Today I had training, went to the gym, and then after that, we had early dinner / late lunch sa Samgyup. I wasn't able to bring my camera, that's why I wasn't able to document it, but I was with my teammates. I can show you like some pictures here, there. Yeah, basically we just ate samgyup. So now I just came back to our condo in Taft. This is where Chini and Kiyo stayed while they were in college. So I'm staying here now because yun nga, we have training and ang layo ng, hindi naman malayo, magastos papunta here from Alabang. So it's more practical to stay here kasi malapit na yung training dito. Anyway, this is the situation sa condo ngayon. When you go in, you can see a bunch of Ikea stuff. One, I'm going to put this sa closet. I have my plates here, and then when you move here, you can see boxes of furniture. My stuff I didn't fix yet. This is the sofa, because we sold the sofa here and the chairs. So, sofa, chairs that I need to assemble. A mirror, my stuff, and pillows from Ikea, my laptop, my water, my hyperice, my wallet. I don't know if I want to fix it right now because I'm pretty tired from training, or I just fix it tomorrow because I have time tomorrow. So, I'll think about it. So, I gave up fixing my Ikea stuff because I have no screwdriver. Nika said there was a screwdriver that was part of the box, but there was none. It's like 12 already, and Dwight and I are just watching Grey's Anatomy. And I ordered pizza, Shakey's. See? It was a heart. Then I ate everything, so it's not a heart anymore. And here's Dwight. Say hi, Dwight.
Yo.
So we're just watching Grey's Anatomy. Update you tomorrow. Bye. So it is 11 in the morning, and today is a great day because... Continue watching to find out. Today is a very great day. Because... Alam niyo naman siguro kasi may lumabas na article, but okay. I'm picking up Dwight later! Finally! After 4 months of not seeing Dwight, I am, for the first time ever, picking him up at the airport kasi wala nang quarantine ngayon. Usually, I pick him up sa quarantine hotel. Pero ngayon, wala nang quarantine. So, I'm picking him up at the airport for the first time ever. But what's sad is that he's going straight to the bubble. So basically, I'm going to see him for a few hours, but a few hours is better than nothing, right? I'm just waiting for him to arrive. His flight is like in an hour, and then Japan to the Philippines is like 5 hours. So picking him up at like 6 p.m. and then we're going to maybe eat dinner, and then I have to drop him off. So, right now, I just ate my leftover pizza from last night. I will go to the grocery in a bit to buy water because I'm out of water here, and maybe grab some food. Taft Avenue, College Fields, naka-close lahat ng roads dito because of the board exam. So, I don't know how I'm gonna go out later, but I'm on the way to the grocery, and also, I'm gonna borrow a screwdriver from Jesma so I can fix my Ikea chairs. Tingnan nyo. Wala guards, tas close yung road. Also, this is where I studied before. OMG! Animal assault! Dito kami nagtutraining. I miss volleyball. Coach Ramil, nandyan ka ba? Charot. Okay, now I'm just in Save More. I'm going to buy snacks and water. This is where I used to buy my stuff when I was in college. Oh, nakakamiss, diba? Ano ba yan? So, ganito lang pala yung sizes ng tubig. So, last ko na pala tong pupuntahan. Because I don't want to bring the water around. It's so heavy. Diba nga? So, last stop ko na to. I will go to Jesmer right now to get the screwdriver. Tagal! Jackaloo! Ano na? Ayaw tayo na screwdriver ko. Ayaw talaga papasukin, no? I'm blind. Ayan, pwede? Perfect. Yeah, oo. Oo, perfect. Okay! Got my screwdriver right now. I'm gonna just buy some food. This is where I buy my food before. Lahat na lang before when I was in college. It's Agno. Kuya!
Hello, Idol!
Naalala mo pa ba ako?
Siyempre naman! Nag-iisa kang maganda sa
Oy! Ayan, may baksilog! Kuya, isang ang ano? Baksilog. I'm back, guys, with my big water and my baksilog. I'm so tired. I'm starving. It's lunchtime. So it's time to eat Ate Rica's famous baksilog. If you didn't know about Ate Rica's baksilog, it's just rice, bacon, and special sauce, but it's super good. And it also has egg pala. It looks like this. Boom! The last time I had this was like when I was in college. So, it's been so long! Let's see if it tastes the same. Mmm! Just how I remember it to taste like. Okay! You know what time it is! I finally got my screwdriver. It is time to assemble my Ikea chairs and sofa. Let's see, you know, I told my mom, like, I'm a born handy woman, so this is gonna be easy for me. And I think Ikea, you call it Ikea, Ikea Furniture's like easy to build, I think. I mean, it comes with instructions that are very easy to understand. Let's see if I can easily understand it. It looks like this, oh. It basically tells you like step by step what to do. So, easy, let's go! OMG, guys! I'm done with my first chair! I had so much fun building it. Oh, ta-da! Are you proud of me, Mom? And it's very stable. Haha! I have one more chair to build. Same like this. And then I also have the sofa to build. Okay, I'll just update you guys once it's all done. Yo! I'm done! So this is the final product. It's a cute tiny chair. And there's two. Here's the other one. Same. And my hands hurt so much. You can't see it, but it's super red from the screwdriver because you have to tighten it. Anyway, I'm so proud of myself. It's very sturdy and perfect for the table.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, guys. So I was looking at it, I was like, wow, I'm done. And then I noticed this. I'm like, oh my gosh, baliktad siya. This is supposed to be in the back. Ayoko na.
A few moments later.
Finally, my hands hurt. Look at the redness. And here. Finally, I'm done! The sofa and the 2 chairs! Yay! Who's a handy woman? Who's a handy woman? Me. So now, we test the comfiness of this sofa. 1, 2, 3. Perfect! Ilan kaya kasya dito? 1, 2, 3. You can lie down like this if you're as tall as me. Now I'm gonna get ready because I'm gonna pick up Dwight in the airport. Hey gorgeous girls!
Sakto lang. Cute lang ako.
We are in BGC right now to have dinner for Daleths' birthday. Daleths' early birthday dinner. We're going to the alley buffet. This is our fit. Wearing black because why not? Okay, today was just a normal day for us. As usual, training. And then went straight here. And we're here already at the alley buffet. Ooh! Are you excited for dinner?
Yes, it's a buffet.
Out of 10?
Mga 6.
Wow, so excited. Guys, Chloe is so smart. Look at her vaccination card. It's her wallpaper.
Work smart, not hard.
Happy birthday to
Why is everybody wearing black?
Sabi mo eh. Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Advance! Yes, then ba't ka naka-ano? Turtleneck?
No! No. Pwede pa reveal na lang kung nasaan na.
Hindi, ikaw naman talaga hanapin yung regalo.
Totoong basura ba yan?
Oo.
Ayan.
Ano to?
Ay, nahanap niya na. Ang bilis naman.
I'm not going through all that. Ooh. For the lipstick.
Yeah. For the lipstick. For your drag.
Try mo nga.
Hindi mo lang inisa-isa yung pinaghirapan namin.
May nakita akong kakaibang shape. Tapos parang ayaw ko nang buksan.
Guys, guess who's here? Ooh! Smile! I miss you!
No braces! Aray, yung hikay ko! Ay, hikay ko.
How are you?
I'm alive.
As you all know, she left our team.
Bitter ka?
Wala na namatay yung candle. Pasunugin ko lang.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Daleths!
Sa tayo iinom. Joke lang, hindi po kami umiinom.